2022 course Distributed and Network Programming. Today we'll be configuring link-sys access points, which Patrick the Huri gave us, and it was an headache for everyone to get the default or the gateway IP address to access the network setup for the link-sys router or the access point. Yes, it's actually an access point. It's a function of access point extends the network from the main router or a modem which is bringing internet from it. It extends to a different room. So this is the documentation about the whole link-sys. It's not full though. That's why I'm recording the video. There's some things I can't do on I can't write, but I can do it on a video. So I'll show you how to get the gateway address and how to identify where the gateway address will get from it. So I can't demonstrate it with just a blog writing. It will be hard. So I'll just attach a video below the whole blog, and you'll get it, and I'll still share the video link to the class group. So how to get the gateway address? You require another router or a modem, as I said, to identify a gateway IP address uniquely for it, so you can access the network setup for the link-sys router. Link-sys access point. Okay, how to do it? So the router is connected to, we bring in the internet to link-sys as it's the Huawei router, and this is, let's access it 192.168. This is the router, you see, and I'm connected to the same one, confirming yes. So this bite me slowly is the network out. This is my link-sys router. I'll show you how to. Let's log in. Status and DHCP info. We get the uniquely identified IP address for them. So the router is 192 IP address identified to the router is this. Let's access the link-sys network setup. Let's see if it works. We are in. I know the password, the thing I've been logging in. Yes, yeah, with that. Okay, yes. So I know people will be saying, great. How can't you not use the local machine and blah 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 and identify it manually? As I said in the beginning, it requires a modem or a router to identify an IP address. Yes, you can use a local machine, but it will take you a lot of time to get the IP addresses identified by the machine to the link-sys router. So let's try and see. Like here, this is the IP address. Let's copy paste it. Yes, paste it. You see, it will never work. That's the thing. So you require a modem to identify it. Like if you go deep into it, you'll find the IP address. The same way to which it will be this. So funny thing, you require just a modem too. So this is you see why you require a modem, because by default it's automatically be configuration by DHCP. That's where I access it with DHCP information from the other router. Funny thing you've seen. So once to change it, the default IP addresses for link-sys and Cisco route, the IP address and for access points and routers, it's 192.168.1.1, but trying to log it with that, it will fail. So so this is the hostname in which I provided the same to be this. What else? Networks, wireless networks. Byte me slowly. They actually this. I'm using 2.0 because it can configure and connect to any device, even phones. And the same. I'm using a low-grade phone and a budget phone, but a good phone to access to be connected to 5 gigahertz radio wireless bands, because that requires a sophisticated device or a good device to connect to it, or a modern technology. I see. This is how you can configure. It's just an access point. You can't change it to router mode or what. That's impossible. So yeah. So thank you for watching, and I can show you how to access now. You can change static and get to this is a static IP address identified by this is a static address for bringing in for the router, some subnet marks, and now the default gateway address, which I tried to log in here, but it failed. You see, by default it failed because it uses this IP address to access the. I'm recording the video showing how to access the same router with the default gateway address after changing it to static IP address, not by automatically be configured by DHCP with DHCP for servers from the other previous modem or router which is giving internet to the same access point. Thank you.